Hello and welcome to this XtensionIT tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to go over how you can install the Webshipper Shipment Connector in your Business Central environment through Microsoft AppSource. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look up the extension marketplace, and we're going to do that through the search field in the top right corner. And we're going to type in extension marketplace, and it's going to be the first selection you can pick here. Now, once you've opened this up, we're going to be utilizing the search field here in the top right corner, and we're going to type in XtensionIT Webshipper. Now, once you've typed this into the search field, you can go ahead and pick the first solution available and open that page up. Now, once you've opened the Webshipper Shipment Connector page up, you'll be greeted by some general information about the solution, the value proposition and requirements, and how to get started, etc. Now, once you feel adequately prepared to move on, then you can click the free trial button here in the top left corner. That will redirect you after you click the free trial button here, where you can then select your preferred language. And once you've done that, you can just hit the install button and the Webshipper Shipment Connector will be installed in your Business Central environment. So I'd like to thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you'd like to see more tutorials such as this one, please follow the channel for more. If you'd like to know more about XtensionIT and our solutions, there'll be a link to our website in the description below. Thank you.